Good morning children, welcome to English class. Okay, in previous class till where we have discussed, okay, we are in first lesson grammar part, right? Okay, I gave you homework children 2.7 here. So many of you did but few people are asking to explain it. Okay, see that means here a cake is there, a cake is there. What you have to do is you have to describe this cake with how many words? 4 words. Okay? See, with 4 words you have to describe this children. Okay, see, the cake is small. Small cake. Small cake and what? Pink color. In which color the cake is? Pink color. Small, and in which shape the cake is? Round shape. Okay, in round shape the cake is. Next, see, next one, how the cake will be? The cake will be sweet. Yes or no? Sweet. Sweet cake. Okay, like this you have to describe the cake children. Okay, see now, cake, small cake, pink in color, round in shape, and taste is sweet. Okay children, do it this one. And after that, see children, words such as round, red, small, large and so on describe a noun, object, person, place or a thing. They are called describing words or adjectives. Okay children, see here what it is if you are describing a noun. Noun means what? A name of a place, person, animal or a thing. If you are describing those nouns as large, small, round, red, these are words you are using to describe a noun, right? Like that you are using some words to describe nouns, those words can be called as what? Describing words. That describing words can also called as adjectives. Okay, here see children, describing, describing words. That means it describes a noun, or we can call it as adjectives. It can be called as what children? Adjectives. Okay, now see, they tell us more about how a noun looks, sounds or feels like. Yes or no? If you are describing a noun, it will tell us how the noun looks, okay, or sounds or how it feels. See here, draw lines to match the shapes with their names. Okay, see, this one is round. Here you have to draw like this, and here what is it? Vowel. Okay, vowel shape children. Vowel shape, here the vowel spelling, and this one square. Square means this. Okay, you need to match this one. That means you need to draw the lines in this green box. Now see, a round button. Yes or no? A round button. Button is a noun, and in which shape the button is? Round. Okay, the round is can be called as describing word. That means the word is adjective. Okay. Now see, here they have given one picture children. See one picture they have given. What is it? Sun. Yes or no? It is a sun. Now let's describe it children. See, sun color what? Yellow. Sun size and sun shape. Okay, size is big or small? Big. And shape is, in which shape it is? Oval or square? No, round shape the sun will be. Okay, yellow in color, big size, round shape the sun is. These words yellow, big, round can be called as what? Adjectives. Okay, adjectives children. Now turn your pages. Okay, this is studio page number 24, and again here ant is there. Okay, already 2 columns have completed. They have given color. In which color the ant will be? Some ants will be in red color, some ants will be in black color, and some will be in brown. Okay, the size is small or big? It is small. Okay, this is the ant children. Now everyone open your companion children. Open your companion 2B. That means page number 13 children open. Okay, children open your companion page number 13. See here, write words that could show size or color of the nouns given below in the space provided. That means you need to write in which size it is and which color it is. Okay, those words can be called as what? Already we know? Adjectives. Yes or no children? First one, see here. What is there? Grasshopper. Okay, grasshopper size is small or big? Small. Grasshopper color? Green. Next one, elephant. Elephant size is big. Elephant color? Black or grey also will be there. And rabbit. Rabbit size? Small. And rabbit color? Grey. Okay children, write in your books. Okay, no problem, I will send to you in WhatsApp. You have to do children. Okay, see, turn your pages again, page number 14. Use the picture clues given below to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. See here, use these pictures. See, two boys are there, Ravi and Raj. See, Ravi is a blank, tall or short boy? Ravi. Tall or short? Tall only. That means you need to choose tall. You have to write here. Second one, see. This is a dash apple. Here red and purple. In which color the apple it is? In which color? Red. Okay. R-E-D. Red. Second blank answer is red. And third one, see children. The chicken lays dash eggs. See, the egg is in which shape? Round or oval? Oval shape children. Oval. O-V-A-L. O-V-A-L. Oval shape. Okay. And next one, see children. Fourth one. Ram is wearing a dash badge. See here, badge in which shape it is? In which shape? Square or oval? Already we know oval is this shape. And in which shape it is? Square. What is the spelling of this square children? S-Q-A-R-E. Square. Next one, see. Fifth one, giraffes are dash animals. Okay, giraffes are tall animals or short animals? Tall animals. Yes or no? The giraffe will have very large neck. Right. That's why the giraffes are tall animals. T-A-L-L. Tall. Okay children. This is to see in your companion. Now next one. Page number 15 children. Look at this picture carefully. See this picture everyone. See this picture. A picture has been given to you now. See this one. Observe this one clearly children. Now see. Read the story given below. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Use the help box given at the end of the story. Okay children. Here you need to fill these blanks. And they have given one help box also in next page. This is the help box for you. What you have to do is you have to fill these blanks with the help box and complete this story. And whatever the story is happening, it has represented here in the picture children. This is 2D. This is your homework children. Please note down everyone. Home task. Home task what? Companion. Companion 2D. Okay, companion 2D, page number 15 children. Page number 15, companion 2D, you have to do. Okay, and all these I will send in your WhatsApp group, children. Already you have learnt in the class. Okay, and write down in your companion books, children. This is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.